Wireless CarPlay adapters enable seamless smartphone integration, provide hands-free control, reduce cable clutter, enhance safety, and allow easy access to navigation, music, and calls while driving. My today's video is about top 5 best wireless CarPlay adapters that upgrade any car instantly that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wiga 2025 Upgrade Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The Wiga Wireless CarPlay Adapter transforms vehicles with built-in wired CarPlay into seamless wireless systems. Compatible with iPhone 6 Plus and iOS 10 Plus, it supports over 150 CarPlay apps, including music, maps, calls, and Siri, though it does not support video streaming like YouTube or Netflix. Powered by the A7S chip, DDR4 memory, and Wi-Fi 6, it delivers real-time audio-visual synchronization with zero lag, even in heavy traffic. Connection is ultra-fast, automatically linking within 10 seconds of starting your car. The aluminum alloy design enhances heat dissipation, prevents overheating, and maintains ultra-low power consumption for vehicle battery protection. Setup is simple in 3 steps, while firmware updates and professional support ensure ongoing compatibility and reliable performance, making it ideal for daily commutes and long drives. Now our second product is CarlinKit 3.0 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The CarlinKit Wireless CarPlay Adapter is an excellent solution for vehicles with built-in wired CarPlay, compatible with iPhone 5 through iPhone 16 Pro Max. It also works with most aftermarket Kenwood, Alpine, and Pioneer decks. This adapter allows automatic wireless connection, eliminating the need for USB cables, making it easy to play music, get navigation, or use Siri hands-free. Using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it sends Wi-Fi credentials from the phone and then operates solely over Wi-Fi, ensuring a stable connection. Installation is plug and play, with the phone automatically connecting even when in your pocket. While it doesn't support Tesla, Android Auto, Netflix, or YouTube, it offers seamless streaming for music and apps. CarlinKit provides lifetime technical support, online updates, and a 1-year worldwide guarantee. Our third product is CarlinKit 4.0 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The CarlinKit 4.0 wireless adapter is designed to convert wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a seamless wireless experience for compatible vehicles. It does not support video or screen mirroring, which is emphasized for clarity. With dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, a dual-core chip, and low 2 milliseconds latency, it ensures stable, lag-free streaming. Multi-device support allows up to 5 devices to connect automatically, making it convenient for family or friends. Compatible with iPhone 6 Plus, iOS 10 Plus, for CarPlay and Android 11 Plus for Android Auto, it works with 98% of vehicles equipped with factory CarPlay. Note that BMW, Tesla, certain Toyota models, and some Volvo and Porsche vehicles are not supported. This adapter offers versatile, reliable wireless connectivity for both Apple and Android users in compatible cars. Now number 4, CarlinKit 5.0 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The CarlinKit 5.0 wireless adapter is an advanced solution for converting factory-installed wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless system. It does not add CarPlay/Android Auto functionality to unsupported cars and does not support video streaming apps like YouTube or Netflix. Compatible with iPhone 6 Plus, iOS 10 Plus, and Android 11 Plus, it supports a wide range of devices. Its compact, plug-and-play design ensures effortless installation with no additional software required. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules, it delivers stable, low-latency connections for smooth navigation and audio playback. The adapter supports over-the-air, OTA, updates, future-proofing compatibility with new devices and automotive systems. CarlinKit 5.0 offers reliable, portable, and seamless wireless integration, making it ideal for users seeking hassle-free connectivity in compatible vehicles. And our last choice is Ottocast Mini 2025 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The Ottocast Mini 2 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter is a versatile solution for households with mixed devices, supporting both iOS and Android seamlessly. Its ultra-compact U-disc design tucks discreetly behind the dash, keeping a clean, factory-like appearance. Equipped with dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, it ensures stable, drop-free navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calls. The adapter delivers 1080p HD video, lossless audio, zero latency controls, and supports steering wheel buttons for effortless operation. Voice control via Siri or Google Assistant, along with split-screen mode, enhances convenience and safety. Plug-and-play setup allows automatic pairing at every ignition, connecting CarPlay in 9 seconds and Android Auto in 12 seconds. Compatible with nearly all vehicles, 2015 plus, supporting wired CarPlay/Android Auto, it transforms your car into a modern, smart cockpit. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.